Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I will show you how you can join a Roblox group. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is open up your Roblox on your particular PC or on your laptop. Once you access your Roblox site over there, on the left side of panel, you should be able to see the option of groups. Go ahead, tap on the groups option. Once you tap on the groups, you shall be able to see a interface where all the groups will be appearing as a recommendation and including the search bar on top. Tap on the search bar likewise and type in the name of the group. Once you tap on the name of the group shall appear. You simply have to switch to people. The group shall appear right over there, and then go ahead, tap on the group, and you will be able to join them. You might have to, if they allow the joining of other people, then you can join them by tapping on the join beside the profile, and you're good to go. You can also go ahead, go to search bar and simply type in a particular username or the name that you know of the group, and so you can get the exact group that you want to sign into or join to. Once you've added the name and you can tap on the join, you will be able to join the group likewise, and you are good to go. That's how easy it is. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.